Alright, so IMS 5456 is a basic web design and content management. By looking at the title, also you already know lah. What you're going to learn is to create or to design a website. Basically, you're going to learn on how to creating a website and also to manage the content of the website. What kind of the proper uh, information that you have to include inside your website. Okay. So this is your course outline or outcome. Hopefully, at the end of the course, you should be able to recognize the fundamental concept of the internet and World Wide Web, which is we're going to look at today. This one we're going to discuss today. Um, we're going to discuss a little bit history of the internet and World Wide Web and the current development of current technology regarding the internet. Number two, to prepare and acknowledge your content. So I'm going to teach you on how to prepare a good web content for the project. And then hopefully you can plan, you can design, you can produce or publish and maintain the website. So this is the course description. Actually, this course is designed to provide you with the knowledge of web content management for effective utilization. You also will learn the skill and technique in creating an informative website. So, subjek kita tak banyak teori, it's more to technical. It's more to technical side. So maybe for today je teori, the rest seminar tu will be more practical. So this is the syllabus content. I think for the syllabus content, I just go to the lesson plan. Very senang. Alright, for seminar 1, which is for today, alright, I'm going to cover two topics, which is topic 1 and topic 2. Topic 1 is about the internet and World Wide Web. Going to discuss about history and development of the internet and also the World Wide Web. And then we also will discuss about the latest development and technology. Okay, topic 2, we're going to learn about the introduction to markup and stylesheet language. This is one of the language that you're going to learn in order for you to create the website. So, kita tengok sedikit history dia, the version of the language. The language that you're going to use, the HTML5. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the 5 version. I think this is the last final version of the HTML lah. For the seminar 2, I'm going to cover this topic. This topic ada kaitan dengan final project. Especially you have to do the group the proposal nanti. Okay, website content management, website web planning, understanding the users. So who's going to use the website? You have to find out the users, how to give the file name, how to create the directory for the website, how to create the web structure and the layout of your website. You have to plan the content and also creating the navigation structure. Alright. For seminar 3, right, we go to this is technical also. Topic 4 is a hypertext markup language, basic HTML structure. But actually this one saya dah masuk hari ni dah. Sebab kita ada 2 jam ni, saya teori ni sekejap je. Itu kita dah masuk dah HTML ni. Kita akan belajar juga hari ni HTML file structure ni. Tapi cuma muka seminar 3 ni dia punya continuous of the topic lah. Topic of the HTML. You also will learn about the web page developments, right? Basic HTML formatting, how to managing the image, how to create the links, so that to make sure that people can navigate from website, they can go to page, right? How to apply tables, how to insert the multimedia element inside your project. For example, like how to apply image, how to apply the video, audio, graphic, animation, and so on. And then also will teach you on how to create a forms. Form is input from the user. For example, let's say your website need the user to register first, and then you can create a form. Maybe your website have a comment or feedback from the user, then you have to create a form so that you can get the info from the user. Okay, seminar 4, you're going to learn about the cascading style sheet. This is another language that you can use to have. This one actually will be support the HTML. In terms of you to create, to design the layout, to design the layout or to manage the website in a easier way. So you can use the cascading style sheets. And then the last topic, which is the topic 6, this one is regarding web publishing and maintenance. This one, if when everything is done, your website is complete, to how to publish the website, how to validate the website, how to create the keywords so that when people Google your website, then they can use the keywords so that they can easily find your website. How to create submaps, web hosting. Web hosting is the place for you to park or to put your web page in a server so that everybody can access it. So how to do that? You can use the file transfer. File transfer is a method for you to transfer your file from the computer to the server. And the last part, of course, to managing the feedback and evaluation. So you have to do this one from time to time to evaluate your website, to make sure that your website is is up to date and so on. So is there any question regarding the topic or the lesson plan? Ada soalan tak? Is there any question? Boleh, guys?
Untuk subjek ni kena ada install apa-apa
Ada.
apps ke dekat
Ada.
laptop?
Ada.
Ada.
Nanti saya beritahu apa
Alright.
kena install. Okay.
Okay.
Memang ada. Okay. Okay, so let's try to look back at the mana tadi Okay. Assignment awak. Okay. Okay, for the assignment, right? Tak banyak, sikit saja. Okay, 100 sorry. Assignment 1 is we cover 20%. This one I will give from week 1. Dia ada 14 kali kena buat. Every week ada ni. This is continuous online assessment. Mudah untuk dapat markah 20% for this one. Kat mana nak buat? Itu yang saya cakap tadi, yang dekat I discuss. So dekat I discuss tadi kan, this one. Mana tadi? So any post yang saya buat, make sure you reply to get the 20%. This one is very easy for you to get marks. Dekat I discuss tadi. Jawab lah. Ada kawan awak dah jawab ni. Ada 14 orang dah. Okay, dah 13 orang jawab. Okay, should be okay. So ini kena, yang ini akan ada markah. So people just introduce yourself tadi. Okay, alright. Okay, itu untuk yang mana tadi? Assessment. Sekejap. Alright. Okay. Mana saya boleh? Okay. Okay. For the second assignment is a personal website. This is individual assignment. This one will cover 30%. So what you have to do in this assignment, where is it? Okay. Okay, this one there. So for individual assignment, you are required to create your personal website or e-resume, electronic resume, by using the HTML. Hari ni kita akan belajar the very basic code first. You're going to use the HTML editor as a main authoring tools. Macam kawan macam kata, apa apps ataupun apa software kita guna, HTML editor ni lah. Okay, nanti saya akan bagi untuk you install. Hari ni juga pernah install. Okay. So your website should include these following items. You need to have the home page. You need to have the biodata page, experience, education, family, gallery. This gallery can be like a photo gallery, video gallery, and so on. Other necessary pages other than this lah, you can insert, right? And each of the pages must have the appropriate page title. So for example like home, kena ada label home tu. Biodata kena ada title home biodata so that people will know that currently they are in which page. So you need to have the appropriate page title. So page title tu menggambarkan your content actually. That's why kita katakan appropriate kat sini. And your file should be arranged systematically And then you have to submit to me your soft copy. And week 10 maksudnya week 10 dah kena siap lah. Tapi sometimes ada juga student tak siap. We can discuss that one. Maybe I can drag the time also. But hopefully lah by week 10 you dah siap ni, sebab you need to focus on another project nanti, which is the group project. So for hosting, we try to apply the Google Drive as a hosting. Dulu kita tahu Google Drive ni hanya boleh digunakan untuk simpan file saja. But actually dia boleh dijadikan website juga untuk hosting. So saya akan ajar macam mana buat dia. Kalau kita tak boleh guna Google Drive, tak apa. Saya akan ajar awak. There is a lot of free web hosting. Kalau you ada duit, you boleh beli. Macam previous dia last semester, dia beli hosting. Hosting untuk personal, tak mahal pun. Setahun dalam beberapa puluh ringgit saja. Kalau you nak beli lah, if you're interested to buy the hosting. Tapi kalau tak ada, tak nak beli pun, should be no problem. We can use the free one. So this is the rubrics for the project. Okay, need to have the text formatting. For example, like what kind of font that you use. You need to have the header font, the body font. Ni semua kita akan belajar lah nanti. Links, you have to create the links, internal, external, or changing colors of links. When you click the link will be changed to the another colors. So we can differentiate between the visited or unvisited links. You have to apply list. List ada dua, which is a ordered list and unordered list. So this one is similar like bullet and numbering. If you're using Microsoft Words, you need to apply the tables, right? You have to create the table in your project, so it's easy for you to rearrange your information in a proper way by using tables. Of course, you need to create a menu. Creating menu, menu ni ada dua jenis lah, menu biasa ataupun menu with sub menu, right? So this is the easy way for people to navigate your website. And then you have to insert the multimedia elements. Ni banyak kat makan dia 15. You need to include the audio. Maybe you want to create a background sound for every page. You want to include the video, animation, a graphic, and so on. And then for the consistency and interactivity and cleanliness of the website, this one each cover 10%. Alright, ada soalan tak untuk personal project? Kalau tak ada, we go to the group project. Okay, we go to the group project. So, kejap ya. Okay, this is the group project. Okay, for group project, you are required to create a corporate or company or organization or institution website in a group 4 or 5 student. You ada dalam 17 orang. Bolehlah 4 atau 5 group. Okay, so the mark will be given on more to the originality of the contents and the design. So you can get the primary sources for the content. Maksudnya kat sini, you have to find one company lah. Kalau company tu tak ada website lagi cantik. Kalau ada, you check back the company website, whether the website whether the website can be improved or not. So kita tengok kat situ balik lah. Ada tak website tu boleh di-improve atau tak? Mana tadi okay. Can you improve the website? So maksudnya you can modify the website. You can modify the website to be more better. So the soft copy of the group website must be submitted on week 14. So this one the presentation. Okay. So you need to submit to me the report. Report is regarding the proposal. Proposal we contribute only 10%. So this is the content of the proposal. Cover page, title, page ini biasa lah. Nanti saya akan bagi sampel lah. Sampel previous one macam mana mereka buat. Then you can use it as a guideline lah. Alright. So introduction, planning, analysis and design, prototyping, review, development and testing, release, maintenance and conclusion. Ini semua saya akan ajar dulu. Ada topik dia, topik 3 tadi. Baru you boleh buat lah. And then I need your reference, right? Reference from the different sources, right? And then put some appendices. So this is the rubric. Okay. 40 marks for the content and visual appearance. Okay. So information meet the objective or not, and link to related website, ada interactivity or not. Are you using the multimedia element? Make sure that the website is clearly organized. In terms of design also, I will marks on the interface, the use of button and so on. For the others, maybe you want to include the feedback form, the login notification. Bonus is if extra effort by you to make your project more interesting and attractive. Okay, then we can have the presentation. This one we cover 10% only. Saya tak pastilah, kita mungkin tak sempat nak buat presentation. Kalau sempat kita buat secara semasa seminar lah. But kalau tak sempat, what I ask my student, normally I will ask them to create the video presentation. So they create a video presentation, publish it at the YouTube ataupun park it the Google Drive and then share the folder to me. Share the YouTube channel to me. Okay. Setakat ni ada soalan tak untuk personal dengan group project? Sebelum kita masuk chapter 1. Ada soalan tak? Is it okay for this one?
Okay, so far okay.
Alright, good. Okay, saya sambunglah. Chapter saya tak banyak. Slide saya pun sikit je. Saya lebih practical lah. More to practical, more to technical. So, maybe you can start with the chapter 1. Ada 9 slide je ni, tak banyak pun. Okay. So, this chapter is regarding internet and World Wide Web. I believe that everybody know what is the internet. We work with the internet. Kita every day we carry the internet, right? So, what is the internet actually? So, by definition, this internet can be defined as a collection of computers that are all connected to each other. Meaning that, from one computer to another computer, you can make a communication. You can make a connecting, right? Okay. So, other definition of the internet is a computer network consisting of a worldwide network of computer network that use TCP/IP. TCP/IP ni is a networking protocol. It's a network protocol to facilitate data transmission and exchange, to make sure you can transmit data from one location to another location. So this is what we call internet. So when we discuss about the history, kita tengok sedikit history lah. Bila internet ni wujudnya? Started in the one project called ARPANET in 1962. So this project is developed by the US Department of Defense, military project actually. To create a nationwide computer network. If I'm not mistaken, they want to connect 3 places. I forgot already the place, so you can Google it. Ada 3 tempat yang mereka nak buat connection. So it's for them to easy communicate from one location to another location. So they started using this project. We call it ARPANET. But this time, kita tak namakan dia lagi internet. Nama dia ARPANET. But since 1992, US government start commercialize this project. So that's why kita ada internet. So I still remember my first time using internet in Malaysia is starting in 1996. Tak salah saya lah. So, okay, tengok World Wide Web. Okay, kalau dulu, kalau kita nak type satu-satu laman web, kita kena type www.google.com. But nowadays, they dah remove the www dah. So what is the www actually? It's a collection of hundreds of millions of documents, all of which reside someplace on the internet. Right? So this document actually is written by using the HTML, which is we're going to learn it today. So HTML tu language yang kita guna untuk written this document, to write this document. The definition from the W3 Consortium website, dia cakap apa World Wide Web ni is known as a www or known as a web or W3 is the universe of network accessible information, the embodiment of knowledge, human knowledge, meaning that in the website there is a lot of human knowledge. Yeah. The World Wide Web began as a network information project at the CERN, where Tim Berners-Lee, this is the person that responsible to create this World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee ni lah. Manusia yang mencipta www, yang mencipta website yang boleh you browse sekarang ni. Alright. Okay, saya dah cakap tadi Tim Berners-Lee. So, the web has a body of software and a set of protocol. So, of course lah, nak kena guna software untuk run it. Right? So, this is some of the latest development technology yang ada sekarang ni. From the client side, kita ada dua side, client and server. Client side meaning that from the user side lah. We have the HTML, Hypertext Markup Language yang kita belajar, XML. This is all the technology lah. Technology cascading style sheet, graphic technology. We have a lot of type of image. The version of image, the JavaScript banyak apply dalam website ataupun dalam bidang games, mobile games. Banyak gunakan JavaScript. ESP is more to the online website, online translation and so on, multimedia, multimedia technologies. Can you give me one example of the multimedia technology yang awak tahu? Can you share with the class? So siapa lah? Tahu tak? Any example of multimedia technology? Takkan tak pernah guna. Pernah kot kan? Contoh? Siapa boleh bagi contoh? Tak ada? Tak dapat? Apa saya nak tanya? Sekarang kita lebih kepada discussion. Ya, Nadia. Do you have any ideas? Ada tak? Siapa yang lain yang boleh tolong?
Contoh multimedia ke?
Yes. Any example of
Macam
multimedia technology?
image, video.
Yes. Yeah, can be considered as a multimedia. Correct. Ada lagi tak?
Alright.
Yang lain? Video, like, kalau video contoh apa? Like video streaming pernah dengar? Video streaming.
Pernah?
Contoh video streaming apa? Takkan tak pernah guna. YouTube. YouTube is one example of the video streaming actually. Facebook Live, kan? You TikTok tu, your IG and so on, right? Web video lah tu, accessibility. Dreamweaver is actually a software lah. Software that you can use to create the HTML. Expression web in general. Okay. That one is regarding the client side. In the server side, we have like PHP. PHP ni is a scripting also, right? Rather than using HTML, you can use a PHP, but this one is more to advanced lah. Perl is another language. .NET technology, forum, blog, wiki, content management software. Untuk group project, we're going to use this one, content management software. We have the SQL, structured query language. This is more to database. Java, this is a programming language, and others. Right, you need to understand the web architecture. The client, saya cakap tadi, dia ada web architecture ni ada dua. One is the client server architecture, kita tengok. The client server architecture, the internet revolve around the client server architecture. So your computer, our computer actually run software called client. Komputer kita lah jadi client. And this client will interact with another software called server. This server actually located at the remote computer. It's a one place yang kita letak. Normally kalau dekat Malaysia ni dia ada company yang arrange ataupun yang give the service to park all your file in the server. So komputer kita macam mana nak dapatkan data daripada server ni? Kita akan gunakan browser. Contohnya macam Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, Google Chrome, Firefox, apa lagi Safari and so on. So kita akan browse, gunakan ni untuk dapatkan data. To request the data from the server. How to request data from server? We're going to use one protocol. The protocol kita namakan sebagai Internet Protocol. So protokol ni pula ada beberapa jenis. One is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That's why bila kita type Google laman web, dia ada depan dia ada HTTP. Right? Itulah protokol yang membenarkan you dapatkan data daripada server. Another protocol is FTP. This is a file transfer protocol. We employ for transferring file from one machine to another one. Maksudnya, if you want to transfer your file from your computer to the server. So, what protocol that you need to use is a file transfer protocol. Benda ni semua kita akan buat nanti. Right. And then you have the SMTP, is a simple mail transport protocol. Normally, this protocol is used for email. Macam mana you nak hantar email, kita gunakan this protocol. And the last one is the Telnet protocol used to open the Telnet session. This is more to the conversation punya service. For example, like chatting, chat room, you have the chat rooms dan sebagainya kan. Then you need to use this Telnet protocol. Alright. Okay. So, sikit lagi about the terminology. Browser, tadi dah tahu kan? Is a application used by the client to read the HTML pages atau to interpret. Client tu kita lah ataupun komputer kita. FTP client, an application on the client machine that will transfer file to and from a server or the computer or other computer. We're going to use the software actually, FTP software. Server is a computer on a network that manages resources. It's a place that manages all your file of your web page, your web file and so on. Web designer. Okay, so when you enter my class, you have to what we call you kena anggap diri awak sebagai web designer. Even though you are in the business area kan. Web designer, kita jadi web designer lah because we're going to create the website. Web designer ni apa dia? The person that responsible for the visual and multimedia content of a website. And web developer is the person responsible for creating and maintaining the interface between the front and back end of the website. But senang cerita web developer ni we can consider as a programmer. And the last one is the web server. It's the computer that store web page file and send them to the browser when requested. So file-file web kita berada dalam web server. Dan tugas di web server ni hantar file kepada klien, apa klien minta. Contoh you type www.google.com. So you akan dapat page google.com. Siapa yang bagi page google.com tu kepada komputer kita? Is a web server. So this is the reference. Ada soalan tak chapter 1? Habis chapter 1. Sekejap je. Sorry. Can we continue with the chapter 2? Boleh Chapter
Boleh,
2 ni
sir.
chapter sikit je, ada 7 slide je. Slide saya tak banyak. Okay. So, chapter 2 is regarding introduction to markup and style sheet languages. So, kita akan belajar what is HTML. Right? HTML is a short for hypertext markup language. This is the authoring tools used to create document on the World Wide Web. HTML, similar like HTML, although it's not a strict subset. Maksudnya kat sini, macam mana kita nak buat web file? You can use this HTML to create the documents. Right? So, HTML will define the structure and layout of your web document. Macam mana you nak letakkan gambar, the placement of the text, the placement of the video, the layout and everything. So, normally we use the tag. Kita namakan dia sebagai tag. Sorry. Kita namakan dia sebagai tag. T-A-G. Tag. So this is the tag actually. HTML tag. So Kalau perhatikan kat sini ada HTML, sini ada HTML. So tag ni dia ada open text and close text. So this is open text and this is a close text. Normally they have a pair. And all your content of your website will be placed between this tag body. Nak letak video, audio, text, image, sound, everything will be inside this body. Okay, nanti kita akan belajar macam nak masukkan dia. There are hundreds of tags used to format and lay out the information in the web page. Tags are also used to specify hypertext links. You can create the links to easy the people or the user to go from one location to another location by clicking the image or words. Kalau kadang you dapat ada link kan, macam mana nak buat link tu, itu yang kita akan belajar. So sedikitlah teori about history of internet ni. We start the HTML1. This one we released in 1993. With the first intention of HTML1 ni is to sharing information that can be readable and accessible using the web browser. Tapi kat sini not many of developer were involved in creating website. So pada tahun ni tak ramai yang developer website. So language ni tak apa terang, it's not growing. So that's why we come up with the version 2. So in version 2, this one published in 1995, which contains all the feature of the HTML1. Apa yang ada dalam HTML1 tu dia masuk, but they enhance, dia tambah additional features. Additional features dalam version 2 ni. But this one will be later on this HTML2 will be refined back all the coding dalam HTML1 tu. Apa yang tak bagus dalam HTML1 tu dia lebih baguskan dalam HTML2. But still not complete. That's why we come up with the HTML3. Siapa yang buat ni? Dave Regetz ni introduce a fresh paper of draft on HTML. It include improve new feature. Ada new feature lah dalam HTML ni but this powerful feature on new HTML slow down the browser. Tapi ada problem pula. Ada feature dia bagus tapi dia melambatkan user untuk browse using the browser. Browse the web page using browser. Dia akan loading lama dan sebagainya. Then that's why I come up with HTML4. Widely used and was successful version. This is a successful version before enter the HTML5. Which is currently released and used worldwide. So file sampai hari ni yang kita akan guna. HTML5 can be set for extended version of HTML4 which was published in year 2005. Kenapa ada version HTML5 ni? Sebab HTML5 ni they can cater all the problem yang ada previous. Then this HTML5 is supported by all the browser in the different machine. Kalau you guna Mac or you guna Windows, dia can support. Ataupun you guna browser like Safari, you guna browser Google Chrome, they can support. But HTML4 ke bawah, ada yang support by Google Chrome tapi tak support dekat Safari. Kalau dulu pernah dengar tak Netscape Navigator? That one tak popular dah sekarang. Netscape Navigator tu pun bukan semua yang boleh support. So by using the HTML5 ni, they can support everything. Okay. Sedikit teori about the cascading style sheet ni. It's a language also. You can use it for the project. Normally we use it for describing the presentation of the document written in markup language. So kita combine dengan HTML tadi. So senang cerita cascading ni kita nak buat template, nak buat layout and so on senang untuk you modify or manage the website. We have the XML. XML ni stand for Extensible Markup Language, right? This is similar like HTML but not popular. Kita tak guna sangat pun, right? Saya pun tak akan sentuh XML ni. HTML ni pun saya tak akan sentuh sangat sebab this is only for you to know je lah. It's a extensible hypertext markup language. If I'm not mistaken, this one is more to apa ni? To repair the error yang ada dalam HTML. Okay. But ini yang kita akan guna dalam kelas. HTML5 is a markup language used for structuring and presenting content of the World Wide Web. It is the fifth and last major HTML version, right? And the W3C also recommended you to use the HTML file. Right. So they can support by all the vendor of the browser vendor, like Apple, Google, Mozilla, and Microsoft. Kalau Microsoft kita ada Microsoft Edge atau Internet Explorer. Kalau Apple we have the Safari. Kalau Google we have kita ada apa Google Chrome. Yeah. Kalau Mozilla we have the Firefox and so on. HTML file was first released in a public facing form. Okay dah, tak apa lah. Okay. Okay. Oh, laju dah saya ni. Ada soalan tak? Ada soalan? Kalau tak ada,
Setakat ni tak ada.
okay, good. Okay. I need you to okay, tak apalah saya bagi. Dalam U-Features, actually you can download je benda ni. Tapi dalam U-Features saya bagi. Saya akan guna this software, soalan teks. I will post in the chatting room here. So for those are using Windows, please download this one. Download for Windows. Right? But for Mac user, you just go to download here, click Mac. Windows ambil ni Kalau Mac ambil ni. Yang saya letak dalam ni, sekejap saya letakkan dalam ni. Dalam awak punya group content, we create one for the core software. Alright. Okay. Right. I will park the software here. Sebab saya dah download dah. Sorry. Okay. Saya dah download dah. You boleh ambil juga dekat e-feature kalau tak nak download kat situ. Sekejap ya. Ni dia saya simpan. Banyak sangat ni. Okay. Okay. Alright. Boleh guys? Kita nak guna ini. Memang kita nak start dah buat dah. Kalau pagi tadi pun saya dah start dengan mereka. Tapi for today, kita akan start yang simple-simple je dulu. Tak naklah berat sangat kepala awak. Sebab coding ni banyak benda yang kita kena ingat kan. So don't worry. Kelas saya ni simple je. Very simple one. Okay. So please this one. Okay. I will teach you on how to install it. Senang je nak install dia. Okay. Bila dah download. Sekejap ya. Ada subline saya tu. Okay. Just open the subline. Okay. So just click next. Install. Okay, dah finish. Alright. Dah install. Semua dah install lah. Kalau dah beritahu saya sebab kita boleh start. Saya tak tahu awak dah ke belum. Okay, dah install. Kalau dah install, you just dia ada dah soalan teks. Okay, soalan testing. Saya dah ada dah ni. Answer je. Okay. Semua boleh nampak skrin saya ni kan? So yang ni you boleh enlarge the font kalau tak faham besar. Just press Ctrl minus to reduce, Ctrl plus to enlarge the text. Ni untuk enlarge text je untuk paparan je sebenarnya. Okay, so HTML. Okay, how to tell the browser that you are using the HTML file. You have to type this one. This is the first thing that you have to type. Okay, this element ataupun element lah senang cakap to declare, okay, this declaration is to define that this document is written in HTML file. So your browser will detect, oh, this file is HTML file. Okay, for the main tag, okay, so macam saya cakap tadi, HTML ni dia work with tag. We have to open and close tag. Okay, the first tag is HTML. This is open, and then we come up with the close. Open, close. Bawah HTML we have head. Head is for you. This is the element that contain meta informations about the HTML page. Contohnya, kita nak letak title, kita nak letak keywords, semua dekat head. So dia ada close juga. Okay, for example, kita tengok kat sini Awak pasti tak dekat atas saya punya ni. Sekejap, macam awak tak nampak kot. Let me besarkan sikit. Right, this one. This is the title. This is the title. Kalau saya letak Google, this is the titles. This is what we call title page. So how to create this title page? Alright. So dalam head, dia berada dalam head. So we have to insert title. Letaklah. Let's say saya letak my first web page. Contoh, saya nak letak sini. Need to close. Jangan salah ejaan sikit pun. Kalau tak dia akan ada error. This is very sensitive. Okay. So, and then you have body. So, between this body, you can insert all the web content. Text, graphic, animation, image, video, sound, semua dalam body kita letak. Okay. So, body. Macam ni. Contoh macam ni. Ni. Macam ni ada gambar ni, ada searching tools, ada button. This is all inside body. This is all inside body. And you punya Gmail ni pun is inside body actually. Alright. So, berada dalam body. Let's try to type one words here. Okay, kita type. Well, letaklah apa perkataan pun tak usah follow saya tak apa. Welcome to my website. Contoh. Okay. So, saya nak save. Sekejap. I'm going to save this one. File, save as, save aja. So, I will ask you, you can create a folder first. Semua file HTML, all your image, all your video must be placed in a folder. Maybe saya letak kasih nama saya lah. My website. Kalau boleh, no space. No space. So, I will put here. Dan saya bagi nama, katakan kat sini, welcome lah, welcome page. But you need to type the extension. Kena ada extension .html. Kalau tak, dia tak jadi file HTML. You have to put the name of the file with the extension .html. But sometimes people buat htm pun boleh. Tapi saya saja HTML. Welcome.html. Okay. So when I save, nampak ni. Data hilang lah dia. Sekejap dia dah mana saya punya tu magnifier. Kejap saya cari magnifier saya. Oh, dia so mana pula magnifier ni? Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. Alright. Okay, go back to here. Just close this magnifier. Okay, let me open the folder. So, kita dah ada satu file welcome ya. This one dah recognize as the web page atau web file. When I open, oh no, this one dah saya dah yang lain tadi. Jap. Yalah, okay. Apa tak? Ada satu perkataan, welcome to my website. Then this is the title. My first web page. This is the page title. Okay. Okay. Apa tak? Ni coding dia tadi. Okay. Once you save, this one will change to color. Right? Dia ada pair. When you click HTML, pair dia akan tunjuk pair dia. Head, title, body. Alright? Boleh guys? Ada soalan tak setakat ni? Boleh buat tak? Dapat tak output tu? Dapat Good. Okay, good. Now, if I want to make these words center, I want to change the alignment and so on, kan? So you have to add this tag before the words P. P stand for paragraph. So then dia ada close lah paragraph. But if you save, Ctrl S juga, refresh, dia tak ada apa-apa effect. But cuba you tambah attribute align is equal to center. Save, then the text will be center. Kalau by default it should be left alignment lah. Kalau you nak dia ke kanan, you just tap right lah. Then it will be on the right corner. Something like this. But this one I want to remain center. Okay, boleh? Boleh guys? Okay. So alignment dia ada left by default, right, center and justified. So justified ni tahu tak? Kiri dan kanan dia saya sama. So macam mana nak buat justified? Maybe I can create another paragraph. So this is my first paragraph. This is my second paragraph. Content tu kita kena type lah. Awak rajin tak type? Kalau type lah something kat sini. Kalau malas macam saya nak buat sample text je dulu. Normally, how to get the sample text? I just go to this website, Lorem Ipsum. Inilah place untuk saya dapatkan sample text. Normally, I'm going to use this one. Kalau you rajin, you type lah. Okay, want to create one paragraph only. Generate. Alright, then just copy. Then paste it to here. So, saya dah text. Okay. Saya save. So, I can close. So, saya dah ada text. Tapi this tag actually is a left alignment. Macam mana saya tahu dia left alignment, nampak? Yang first line and second line tu dia tak sama. Kan? So, you can, kalau nak cantik lah, you boleh tambah justify here. Align, justify. Macam kita guna Microsoft Word je. But this one, everything in coding lah. Justify. So, kiri kanan tu dia dah sama lah. Okay. Ada kot justify center, saya tak tahu ada tak. Saya try justify center jadi macam mana. Oh, tak ada. Justify center tak ada. Saya dah lupa lah. Okay, justified. Okay, boleh guys? Dapat tak? Boleh? Okay. So, kita boleh tambah juga element of the site. For example, like we want to create a formatting. Sekejap. Maybe after the word welcome to my website ni, I want to create one line first. One line to separate the title and the paragraph. So, dekat sini kan, Saya boleh letak satu tag nama dia HR. HR is stand for horizontal rules. For your information, HR dia tak ada close tag. Dia open saja. So when I save, you can see there is one line here. Kalau nak tukar color apa semua tu saya ajar kemudian. Right? So dah separate lah. So this is my title. This is my paragraph. Separate with one line. Horizontal line. Horizontal rules. Okay, now let's say I'm going to format the text. For example, I want to make this font to be bigger than this size, or maybe I want to bold it, or want to italic and so on. So web formatting. Okay, let's say this will come to my website, saya nak boldkan dia. So what you can do, just type B. Tag B. Tag B is stand for bold. Dia ada close lah, open and close tag. And I save. So this tag already bold. Alright. If I want to okay, this one. I want to make like this font is important font. Macam mana kita nak buat For important font is similar like bold, but you can put like this strong. Right? Laura Ipsum ni saya nak dua perkataan ni lah. Saya nak jadikan dia strong. Strong dia similar like bold. So this one will be different with another one. When I save, see? Dia dah strong kan? Tulisan tu lebih strong. If I want to italic the font, let's say the dollar ni saya nak italic kan. So just put I here. This one should be close. Right? So maksudnya hanya tulisan ni je lah yang effect. So see this word dollar ni dia dah italics. Okay, ada satu kalau you tak nak gunakan I, you boleh gunakan emphasize tag. Contohnya katakan perkataan concept title ni saya nak emphasizekan dia. Emphasize ni is similar like italic also. Sekejap. Okay. Tag emphasize sampai tulisan ni lah. Okay, this similar like italic. See? Sama. Alright. Okay, if you want to mark, katakan macam kita nak buat highlight, kan? Let's say this word saya nak highlight. Okay, this one kan? Saya boleh letak mark here. Mark is highlighting lah. Okay, katakan saya nak mark this one. So this one mark. So it's highlight the text. Alright. Let's say ada word yang you nak delete contohnya, tapi you nak paparkan dekat screen. So you can use this one. Let's say mark. Nah, mana tadi mana? Okay, this one saya nak delete it. Just put del. So tengok apa jadi. Dia ada macam stroke lah, cross. Okay. Pernah dengar macam superscript and subscript. Contohnya katakan saya ada satu perkataan like saya buat another paragraph nak bagi different. X kuasa 2. So these two actually I want to create the superscript. So just type SUP here. Then close the SUP. So when I save, you can see the word X power of 2 kat sini kan. Kalau kita nak buat macam perkataan H2O, but these two nak jadikan subscript. So saya buat SUB. Alright, subscript H2O. Okay, tapi kalau katakan you tak nak create another paragraph, tapi H2O ni nak letak kat bawah, pun boleh. What you can do, just tambah perkataan selepas sebelum ini tambah BR. BR is stand for break rules. Dia tak ada tutup, dia buka saja. BR. BR. Dia bukan paragraph. Actually, this one in one paragraph. Perkataan X power of 2 ni dengan H2O ni actually in one paragraph, tapi kita berkebawahkan dia, breakkan one line dengan gunakan BR, break row. So when I save, dia dah ke bawah. Tapi actually this one is in one paragraph. Okay, ada soalan? Okay, tak ada, tak apa tak apa, nanti ada soalan tanyalah. So saya buat lagi satu horizontal rule je. Okay. Okay. The use of heading. Okay. Heading ni amat berguna if you want to create like page title. So they will change in term of the font size and font size lah actually. So for heading dia ada 6 jenis. Heading 1. Start with H1. Let's say you letak perkataan apa-apa, saya letak heading 1. You letak perkataan apa-apa pun, itu dia sampai 6. Saya malas nak type, saya copy paste je. Just copy paste this one, just put this is 2. This is example of heading 2. Nanti you can see the different size of heading. Oh, sorry. And this one is heading 3. 4, 5, and 6. Right. So you can use heading for page title. See? Heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Contoh, if I want to apply this welcome to my website, heading 1. So what you can do, before the word welcome, right? Untuk this case, you no need to use a bold. No need use bold. Because heading 2 is already bold. So I can just put H1 here. Right. Okay. So already applied. Okay. Alright. But this one not center. Why? Even though we already have a center here. So don't apply the attribute center in a paragraph, but you have to apply in heading. So what I can do, I just cut here and then put here. Letak dia dekat H to align center, not paragraph. So when I save, it will be back to center. Ada soalan setakat ni? Boleh ikut ke tak? Boleh ikut tak? Boleh guys? Okay ke tak? Boleh Okay. So good. Kalau tak boleh, inform je saya. So you can interrupt me at any time. Okay, good. Alright. Okay, we can continue. Okay, one question. Can I change the color of the text? Can I change the font? Font type, tak nak font by default. This one font is, if I'm not mistaken, this one is Times New Roman. I want to change with my own font, with my own color. Boleh actually, So let's try to apply dekat title ni, welcome to my website ni. Okay, to change the font, you have to use font text. Right? So this font tag, dia ada a few attributes. First, if I want to change the color, okay, dalam font ni, you put color. The spelling is like this. Jangan betulkan. Ada setengah-setengah saya buat COLOUR. Dia tak detect. The ejaan is color like this. Right? So let's say I'm going to change to red color. Just type to any color that you want to use. This is the attribute. This is the value. The value is red. So save and then reload. So that change to colors. Okay. You also can use the color code from the internet. So just type HTML color codes. Dan ada banyaklah service website yang buat tu, saya ambil the first one ni. So there's a hex color code here, right? So you can browse any color. Daripada sini, pilihlah color mana yang awak nak. Okay, ataupun you boleh ambil kat bawah ni, dah ada dah. Dia punya scheme colors. Just choose any color that you want use. Alright, let's say ini saya nak create sendiri lah. Okay, saya nak warna ni. Okay, not this color. Okay. So what you have to do, you just copy the head color here. Copy and then go back to your coding. Place the text with the code. Save, Ctrl S, and then refresh it. See? Sama ke color dia? Hijau. You also can create your own color. So for example lah, saya letak je apa-apa nombor kat sini. Contohnya saya nak banyakkan warna putih, then saya letak hari jadi saya. Contoh this is my birthday. Save. FF ni lebih kepada warna color putih. Kalau nak dark color, you letak kosong. Kosong akan menggelapkan lagi color. So this is the color. Warna apa? Warna pink. Bukan macam itulah. Kalau saya nak lebih darker color, I can change this 5 to 0. Right. You can test and error lah. Okay, this one will be like blue colors. Alright. Boleh guys? This is how you can change the color. Bawah ni pun you boleh ubah color. Kalau nak ubah color nanti, but you need to insert the font first lah. Font tag need to be before the words here. Okay. Okay, now how to change the font type. Okay, font type. Okay, lepas color, this is the attribute for color. Kita tambah face. Face is face is for the font type. So kita untuk Google font saya akan ajar awak kemudian, but for today kita gunakan font yang ada dalam komputer tu. So just type font here. You go to the control panel. Dia di dalam appearance and personalization, dalam fonts. So this is all the font that ada yang dalam komputer saya lah. Mungkin komputer awak ada yang font lain, saya tak pasti. Komputer saya dah banyak juga install font. Font actually kalau you nak, you boleh install. Kalau font yang you tak ada, you nak install boleh. You ambil je, pergi je Google, type je download font. Then you can download font. Okay, contohnya katakan I want to have this mana ya, kejap. I want to apply wait, Joker man. Regular ni tak type, dia ambil atas je. Joker man. So this one Joker man. So tengok apa jadi. Space is Joker man. This one change to Joker man audio. Alright, for title bolehlah kita senang baca, tapi for content janganlah you apply Joker man ni, because it's very difficult people to read the text. Kalau you punya text is like decorative text, fancy font kan, fancy font. So fancy font kalau for title juga okay lah. Okay, so try to apply another one. Sekejap, kita tengok ada tak font lain. One tadi. Let's say Mistral. Okay, I want to apply this Mistral. Regular ni tak payah type the word Mistral saja. Contoh. Mistral. Mistral ni kecil sikit kau tulisan dia. Yes, Mistral. So, kalau kecil, actually you boleh besarkan tulisan tu. Tak ada masalah. Kalau you nak besarkan, macam mana? Okay. Kalau nak besar, jangan gunakan H. Kalau nak besarkan tulisan. Contoh saya buat kat bawah ni. Atas ni saya tak nak usik. Saya letak dekat bawah ni. Font. Okay, font kat bawah ni dan tutup kat sini lah. Last sekali kan. Font. So, kita letak size. Attribute dia size. Let's say saya letak 10. Apa jadi? Oh, it's quite big. The font is quite big. Okay. So, jangan letak 10. Let's say saya letak 5. Tengok jadi apa? Ataupun 4. 4 tak nampak sangat. Let's say 5. Besar sikit. Okay. Kalau tulisan bawah ni saya nak tukar kepada Arial. So, just tambah lah. Base is equals to Arial. Right. Okay. So, normally title ni kita besarkan sikit lah. So, maybe I can choose another type of font. Like yang besar sikit. Forte, for example. Forte. Okay, mana? Yes, correct. Saya tak save ke? Save. Okay guys, ada soalan tak setakat ni?
So, macam mana nak tukar font untuk welcome to my website je?
Okay, good question. Okay. Ini perkataan welcome to my website kan? Betul eh? So, font tu letak kat sini lah. Buka dia kat sini. Sebelum perkataan welcome tu, last perkataan welcome tu kena tutup. Make sure you close. Kalau tak, dia akan apply kat bawah je. Faham? Sebelum perkataan welcome ni, buka font. Selepas perkataan website tu, tutup dia. Kalau tak, kalau katakan you accidentally forgot to close this one, kat bawah dia tak detect, dia akan apply. Semua sama. Okay, boleh jadi. Boleh kan?
Boleh.
Boleh kan?
Boleh.
Okay, good. Okay, now kita buat satu lagi exercise. One more exercise on how to insert a image. So, saya letaklah satu gambar sini. Okay, you can find one pictures. You can use your own picture pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Ataupun just Google lah the image from the internet. Alright, let's say saya letak cartoon. Letaklah gambar apa-apa yang awak suka kan. Okay, but make sure the picture is a format that can be understand by the browser. JPEG, you can normally I will ask my student to use JPEG or PNG lah. But PNG the file is quite ringan, quite light. JPEG pun okay juga. Okay, let's say I want to get one file here. Okay, design dia besar tau, 2000 kali 2000, it's quite big. Kalau you nak guna boleh, tapi dia akan load lambat. Tapi kalau mana antara awak yang mahir guna Photoshop, you can resize it first, resize the things. Tapi tak apa, guna coding pun kita boleh resize. Resize size but not the amount of the file actually. Amount dia masih lagi kalau 2 gig lah, 2M, 30M, 30M lah megabyte. Tapi size dia nampak kecil. Okay, let me try to this one sekejap Cari file tu dulu. Okay, let me save this one. Okay, once you save, okay, the web file ni takut dia tak dapat detect. Melainkan you convert dulu lah. Saya tak nak lah cari yang PNG terus. Sekejap Pokemon ni. Dia web file juga Pikachu ni. Sekejap Let's try this one. Size ni agak kecil. Web file juga. Kejap ya. Saya nak cari PNG terus ataupun JPEG. Alright, this one JPEG. So I need this file. So make sure you save the file inside your own folder. Folder yang you create tadi. So dia mesti bersama-sama dengan file HTML. So you can give a name, let's say this is power. Saya letak nama dia power je lah. So tengok extension dia power.jpg. JPG power.jpg. So the file is here and the HTML is here also. So it must be in the same locations. So we can use, okay, let me try to create another horizontal rules here. Okay. So in order for you to insert the image, you are using image src, and then the name of the file, tadi apa nama file dia, is a power.jpg. The extension is very important. Kalau you letak wrong extension, dia tak akan paparkan. Ataupun salah nama. Contohlah saya buat salah nama dulu. Saya letak power 1. Sebenarnya nama dia power saja. So saya set ini tak ada close tag. Saya save. So your output will be like this. But actually this one, dia tak jumpa file. It cannot find the file. So you have to put the correct file name. So let's say this is the correct file name. Then refresh. You can see. But the file is quite big. That's why I ask you to sekejap je. Okay, sorry guys. Kejap ya guys. Okay, now how to resize this one? Kita guna coding nak resize. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, saya adjust dia punya width saja. Right, let's say I just put like 300. Okay, save. See? Tapi the amount file tu sebenarnya masih lagi besar. Kita size dia je kecil. Or you can adjust, kalau tak nak adjust width, you can adjust the height. Okay, dia akan adjust size tinggi dia. See? Or you can do both. Width and height. Ni kalau you nak sama size 300. Tapi dia akan jadi tak cantik lah sebenarnya. See? Dia tak cantik lah. Pun boleh. So I want to create either one lah. Alright. Okay. If I want to transfer this image to be center, so what you can do, before the image tu, just put paragraph. Align. Center. Just apply balik apa yang dah belajar. Okay. So make sure you close the paragraph here. So the image will be center. And if I want to put the image inside after the word welcome to my web page, just copy this one. Cut je, Ctrl C, Ctrl X, sorry. After the word welcome to my web page ni. Okay. So this is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. Just save this one. Alright. Ada soalan tak setakat ni? Boleh, guys?
Ada, tapi boleh bagi gambar semnya tu tak? Subline tag ni.
Oh, boleh, tak ada masalah. Coding dia ke?
Sebab ada yang certain tak dapat hasil ingat.
Boleh, tak ada masalah. Saya ambil kat sini. Nak post kat mana? Dekat WhatsApp ke dekat saya post kat sini lah. Copy lah. Ni saya punya. Tapi mungkin gambar tu lain lah. You kena tubah lah. Saya punya power.jpg kan. You kena letakkan dengan nama gambar awak lah. Faham? Melainkan gambar awak pun namanya sama. Itulah. Alright. Okay. Don't worry. Saya dah record this one. You can refer back to the recording. And nota pun saya akan bagi nanti. Don't worry. Saya akan bagi nota untuk awak. Alright. Okay. Last for today. Cukup lah kot hari ni last. Saya nak bagi. I already changed the font colors and so on kan. Actually you also can change the background. Background ni warna putih. Sebenarnya saya nak ajar advance nanti kemudian lah. Tapi lah tak apalah. Hari ni saya ajar macam mana nak ubah color untuk background je dulu. Not the background image. So simple je. You nampak body here kan. Nampak body ni. You tambah je. BG color. Then you can specify the color that you want. Let's say I want red, yellow color. Ataupun gunalah color apa tadi? Color code tadi kan. Letak BG color. BG stand for background. So it was something like this. Alright. Ada soalan? That's why kalau gambar, saya lebih suka awak ambil gambar PNG. Because PNG dia transparent. So kalau JPEG ni dia akan nampak latar belakang dia warna putih. Kalau PNG dia tak akan nampak warna putih ni. Dia more to transparent. Tapi tak apa, kalau siapa yang mahir guna Photoshop, you can remove the background actually. Alright, ada soalan? Is there any question? Boleh guys? Susah ke senang?
Boleh.
Simple je kan? Tak apa, ni mula-mula memang simple. Tapi ada banyak lagi coding yang mungkin akan buat opening jugalah nanti. Tapi tak apa, saya akan share satu website yang awak boleh guna. W3 School, I always go to this W3 School as a reference. Okay, post it to my. Okay, tengok kat sini. Okay, so W3 School. Pergilah website ni, ada banyak coding yang you boleh belajar. Dia ada sampel. Online sampel terus. You type tu dapat dah dia punya output. Boleh belajar dekat situ juga selain daripada yang nota saya. Okay, so